Welcome to this video on Blue Team Operations, focusing on threat hunting, proactive defense in modern society environments. Traditional security relies on alerts. Threat hunting is a paradigm shift, where defenders actively search for hidden attackers before automated systems can detect them. We will explore proactive defense, hunt hypotheses, behavioral analysis, hunting methodologies, and threat visibility. Threat hunting is the proactive process of searching for malicious activity across various enterprise environments without waiting for alerts. Hunters investigate suspicious behaviors, abnormal patterns, and hidden attacker activity to identify threats that have evaded traditional security tools, bypassed perimeter defenses, or established persistence. This advanced role combines technical expertise, threat intelligence, and investigative thinking. Modern attackers use sophisticated techniques like fileless malware and living off the land to bypass traditional signature-based security. Reactive defense waits for alerts and depends on signature-based tools after incidents occur. Proactive defense actively searches for hidden threats, reducing attacker dwell time, and aiming to hunt before major damage occurs. A hunt hypothesis is an educated assumption about how attackers might be operating. The process is structured and intelligence-driven. It involves forming the hypothesis, like attackers are abusing PowerShell for execution, investigating data by querying logs and telemetry, validating or rejecting the findings, and finally acting on the results through escalation or containment. Behavioral analysis is a core technique in threat hunting. Although attackers modify malware, their behavior patterns often remain consistent. Hunters detect threats by observing how adversaries act, not just what files they drop. Key indicators include encoded PowerShell commands, unexpected privilege escalations, and unusual DNS requests. Threat hunters use structured methodologies to guide investigations. These include intelligence-driven hunting, guided by threat intel, and known adversary TTPs. Behavior-based hunting focuses on anomalous user and system activity. Hypothesis-driven hunting tests structured assumptions against telemetry. Anomaly-based hunting looks for statistical deviations from baselines. Threat visibility is the hunter's lifeline, as hunting is only possible with strong visibility into environments. Without quality telemetry, hidden attackers can remain undetected for weeks or months. Critical data sources include SIEM logs for event correlation, EDR telemetry for endpoint activity, network and DNS data for traffic patterns, and cloud telemetry for identity and access logs. Threat hunting requires a specific mindset, the technical and analytical hunter. It is both a technical discipline and an analytical practice. Successful hunters must think critically about attacker behavior and enterprise operations. Questions like, does this behavior look normal, drive every investigation. Curiosity and deep OS knowledge separate effective hunters from alert reviewers. Threat hunting is increasingly important because sophisticated attacks bypass traditional security and remain hidden for an industry average of 280 days. To counter this, threat hunting relies on 4 methodologies and at least 6 data sources. This proactive approach plays a central role in modern society operations and advanced defense strategies. To summarize the threat hunter's mission, we shift from reactive to proactive defense. Key takeaways include searching for hidden threats to reduce dwell time, structuring investigations using hunt hypotheses, and detecting attacker behavior through behavioral analysis. High-quality telemetry across SIEM, EDR, network, and cloud is foundational. Next, we will cover detection engineering.